Welcome to English Simple Learn.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Emily. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, cool. Which city do you live in?
I live in New York City. What about you?
I live in Toronto.
How old are you, Alex?
I'm 28 years old. How about you?
I'm 25.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm an engineer.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. And you?
I have two brothers.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you?
Yes, traveling is amazing.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I like sushi.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, but I want a cat someday.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books. And you?
I like to watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
I enjoy rock music.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish. And you?
I speak some French.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring. What about you?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer. And you?
I enjoy basketball.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis. Do you?
I play football with friends sometimes.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lord of the Rings. And you?
My favorite movie is The Notebook.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you?
Yes, I like cooking new recipes.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting. And you?
I love gardening.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I like adventure games.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a writer. And you?
I dream of being a photographer.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue. What about you?
My favorite color is green.
Do you read newspapers?
Sometimes online. Do you?
Yes, I read the local news.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I visited Italy. What about you?
I've been to France.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I enjoy hiking. And you?
I like relaxing at home. Do you like going to the mall?
Yes, sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl. What about you?
I'm a morning person.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas. What about you?
I love Halloween.
Do you like exercising?
Yes, I like running. Do you?
Yes, I do yoga.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love it. Do you?
I'm not a great dancer, but I try.
Do you like TV shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching comedies. What about you?
I like crime dramas.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries. What about you?
I like apples.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee. And you?
I prefer tea.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love it. Do you?
Yes, the beach is great.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning. What about you?
Me too.
Do you like visiting museums?
Yes, I find them interesting. And you?
Yes, I enjoy art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play guitar. Do you?
No, but I want to learn piano.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses. What about you?
I like sunflowers.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I go often. Do you?
Yes, I love movies.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, it's relaxing. And you?
Yes, I grow vegetables.
Do you prefer rainy days or sunny days?
I like rainy days. What about you?
I prefer sunny days.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I love live music. Do you?
Yes, concerts are fun.
Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I like working alone. And you?
I prefer working in a team.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream. What about you?
I like chocolate cake.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I love it. Do you?
Yes, swimming is fun.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, it helps me sleep.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
Me too.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I prefer cold drinks. And you?
I like hot drinks.
Do you like going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy plays. Do you?
Yes, it's very interesting.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, they're fun. What about you?
Yes, I like surprises too.
Do you wake up early or late?
I wake up late. And you?
I wake up early.
Do you like traveling by plane, car, or train?
I prefer planes. And you?
I like trains.
Do you like riding?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you?
Yes, I write stories.
Do you prefer formal or casual clothes for work?
I like casual clothes. And you?
Me too.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, but not often.
Do you like camping?
Yes, it's exciting. And you?
Yes, I love camping trips.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturday. What about you?
My favorite is Friday.
Do you like riding a bike?
Yes, I ride often. Do you?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography. What about you?
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures too.
Do you like zoos?
Yes, I like seeing animals. And you?
Yes, I enjoy zoos too.
Do you like fishing?
Yes, I find it relaxing. Do you?
I've never tried fishing, but I'd like to.
Well, this was a great conversation, Emily.
Yes, it was. Thank you, Alex.
Thank you too. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.